Alrighty, we are so close to Canada's Wonderland opening. We will be there this weekend for Perkopolis and Media Day, which is absolutely insane. I do not even feel like it is time to go back to Wonderland. We were talking as a friend group, and it was like, we're not even ready. Like, we are ready. We really want it. But it just feels like this April's gone by fast. Am I the only one that thinks that? Anyways, I'm going to shut up. Let's get right into it. Flight Deck, or Daredeviler, is coming along nicely. So we have the paint job on Daredeviler. It has the Yukon green and the yellow gold for the track. It's looking really great. It should be done in time for, not the ride, the paint job. Sorry, that sounded very misleading for a second. The paint job should be done in time for park opening, probably not this weekend, but park opening, the actual opening weekend. Outside of that, we are very excited for the replacement of the fighter jet. This is not confirmed by the park, but we're pretty confident in our confirmation that it'll be a biplane that replaces the fighter jet, like you see in the advert or the art for Daredeviler. It's going to take me a while to get used to that. Outside of that, World Expo or Action Zone is in disarray. It is, we just learned that Chicken Shack is going to be closed to the season, is now grayed out on the map, and the sign has been removed. The entire area is honestly becoming a dead zone, even with Behemoth and all that. It really needs that investment, and we'll talk about that more at the end of the video because I have a lot to say. Over at Mindbuster, there is literally nothing to really update you guys on other than the running rail is continuing its work. Very hard to visualize how far along they are on that. The drink stand and Beaver Tails, from what I think is going to be, is coming along very nicely. This is a very large building, and it looks a lot nicer. For World Expo, the Wonderland construction trailer has moved inside the park to the staging area. The company that built Alpenfury has not left the park in its full extent. They've left a few of their construction equipment behind. Some of it being a flatbed, a dump truck, and a excavator. That has been left behind by one of the third parties involved in Alpenfury's construction, and they remain on site. They were part of the removal of Kingswood, as well as some other work that's going on inside the park. This is why I really think that Action Zone / World Expo being so dead and kind of like not having much to it, especially with Chicken Shack closing, a major investment is needed on this side of the park. And it is honestly the only thing that could save this side of the park is a new massive roller coaster over in the Kingswood plot of land. Now, I want to get really excited and tell you guys, okay, we're starting to see stuff, so 2027 could still be on the map. However, we really have to think about the fact that getting rid of Kingswood is a year in itself. Just the land prep alone is probably a year of construction. Then you have the foundations and getting the ride up. So I really think we're looking at 2028 here. 2027 just seems impossible. So we're going to stick to the 2028 now. 2027 is off the map. If you guys have been following along, they've had a lot of issues with the board. You're seeing a lot of layoffs. I have a whole video on the layoffs coming. I don't want to speak on Wonderland layoffs or anything, as it's not my place to. That is up to anyone who works at these parks to announce, but I can touch on the layoffs without going into details. With that being said, Medfair is receiving a lot of upgrades, so there's a new shade structure going underneath Flight Deck. A lot of the roofing and shingles are getting redone in Medfair as well. Speed City Raceway is closed, and it looks like it's going to be permanently closed. They've put up a in quotation construction fence. It's just a fence to block your view. It is being used as a storage facility, and like we've been saying, is not going to be a new ride anytime soon. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.